Happy 18th birthday, Ate Abby.
Happy birthday, Abby! Happy birthday, Ate Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby! Happy birthday, Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby! Sana ikay mag-aral na mabuti at huwag mo na mag-aasawa. Kumusta na sa inyong mag-anak at magpapakabait. Ako'y medyo nahihirinan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Abby! Happy birthday, Abby! Apo ko, kumusta?
Happy birthday, Abby! Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Miss you. Happy birthday, Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby! More birthday to come! Enjoy yourself! At pag-aaral ay pagbutihin. Huwag mo na mag-aasawa.
Happy birthday, Abby! Sabi ni Lolo, mag-aral daw mabuti at laging maging mabait. Kamusta na kayo mag-anak? Ingat lagi.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Abby. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. See you soon. Miss ka na namin.
Happy birthday, Abby. Welcome to adulthood. Enjoy mo lang yung pagiging young adult and embrace this new chapter of your life with confidence and courage. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Abby. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Abby. Happy birthday. Dalaga ka na. Ang ganda-ganda mo.
Happy birthday, Abby! Stay pretty!
Happy birthday, Abby.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby. We love you. God bless.
Hey, happy birthday! Yun na lamang.
I miss you.
Pahingi kami ng handa.
Happy birthday, Ate Abby.
Kang mabuti. Unti mo nga parang ngipin. Wala ako. Happy birthday, Abby!
Okay na. Abby! Happy birthday!
Pag-ready na sila. Tara. Happy birthday, Abby!
Happy birthday, Abby! Ay, oh! Happy birthday, Abby! Happy birthday, Abby!